Moosend Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Moosend are in the description below. In this video, we're reviewing Moosend, an affordable and feature-rich email marketing automation platform designed for businesses looking to streamline their customer engagement. Whether you're an e-commerce store, SaaS company, or digital marketer, Moosend provides powerful automation tools to convert leads, nurture customers, and drive revenue, without the complexity of enterprise-level platforms. Moosend's email automation workflows allow businesses to set up behavior-based triggers for personalized customer interactions. You can automate abandoned cart emails, welcome sequences, lead nurturing, and re-engagement campaigns with an intuitive drag-and-drop workflow builder. Its advanced segmentation ensures that messages are sent to the right audience based on user behavior, demographics, and engagement history. The email editor is one of Moosend's standout features. It offers a drag-and-drop interface with customizable templates, making it easy to create high-converting emails without any coding. It also supports A/B testing to optimize subject lines, email content, and CTAs for better performance. For e-commerce businesses, Moosend integrates seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, and other platforms, allowing businesses to sync customer data and track behavior. This enables advanced product recommendation emails, purchase follow-ups, and personalized discounts to drive sales. Moosend also provides real-time analytics and reporting, helping businesses monitor open rates, click-through rates, and conversions in detail. Beyond email, Moosend includes landing page and subscription form builders, helping businesses capture leads and grow their email lists effectively. Its GDPR-compliant features ensure that user data is protected, and its API allows for custom integrations with CRM and other business tools. Pricing is another key advantage. Moosend offers a free plan for up to 1,000 subscribers, with paid plans that remain highly competitive compared to other email automation platforms. If you're looking for a user-friendly, budget-friendly, and powerful marketing automation tool to improve customer engagement and sales, Moosend is a solid choice. Check the links in the description to get started.